hedges along the roadside, they're too tall now. I never intended them to get that tall, but probably maybe about 6 foot. So I've got me cutter here, which you can extend. So I'm going to take all the bigger ones off, and then I'll get Vincent when it gets time to do a plumb line, so I can do a straight line across and then clip it so it's straight and even, and then they'll thicken out a little bit more at the bottom, otherwise they're just going to turn into trees, and you don't want trees.
In early spring, ideally February, cut back the beech hedge heavily. To do this, cut off old and diseased branches and greatly thin out the hedge. From the end of June, you can perform another, but only light pruning on the outside of the hedge. This pruning serves to further branch the hedge and ensures a compact growth form.
I've put a big bucket, because we just had a heavy downpour and it's still raining, and I've just put a big bucket over the camera, so I better not touch it because it'll probably fall off. At least the phone won't get wet then, otherwise I won't be able to film. So I'm going to just go on this side and take some more off. I'll just do a section by section, even if it takes the next week or so. When we get time off, I might just do a bit. Like I was saying, I'm going to see if I can get some cuttings of these, what I'm cutting off, and I'll put them in the hedgerow at the side of the road there. I'll show you the bucket of Garon. That's what I've got over my camera. Yeah, got it covered again. I'll have to invest in some high-tech stuff eventually. I'm just thinking back years ago when we used to be doing work outside on the land. I'd start singing "Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work we go, till we're carrying the tools." It's funny what memories pop into your mind when your mind's got time to be quiet, doing something manual like this. And sometimes I think that's what I like about it, because your mind is still and quiet, and you need it. You need that, because your brain just gets full of all this useless information at times, and it's on the go all the time. It's nice not to be able to think at times. Oh, thank you for all your lovely comments as well. Some funny ones. Yeah, some really good comments. Hiya, Terry. I know, some really good comments. Keep them up. I wonder where you're all from. I know some of you have told us. I know there's another couple that subscribed to us. Thank you again. They're up near Rigna Mines. So we never know, we might see you on the road at some point. So it's nice. And I'm quite surprised how many people now are doing up old cottages. It's such an advantage. It's pity we can't get the grants, but for derelict properties, it's great for them. And they're coming over from England, and you know, I suppose a lot of Irish went to Manchester and Birmingham and all over the place. The pile's getting bigger, isn't it? See what I can do with that. I've got some rooting powder somewhere I'll have to hunt out. You never know, it'd be worth doing it. I'll not pot them or anything, I'll just stick them straight in the ground. And if they work, they work, and if they don't, they don't. I'd never go back to England. Yeah. It's a different way of life here, and I like this way of life. I've never been into material things. You know, Gucci and all those sort of things. I wouldn't have recognised them if you'd have shown me them. Like, people can spot them a mile off. Oh, you're wearing such thing. Or I wouldn't have a clue. I'm not materialistic like that. But I have got some nice things now. I like to buy quality. I can see quality. Hello, Dunya. I've got Dunya and Com just walking around the place. So I think Dunya's going to come up here in a minute. Are you coming up? Dunya? Probably stay around there for a minute. Oh, there he is. I don't know if you can see him. You might see him in the distance. Well, we've just come back out because we've had our 11s, so we've had a bacon sarnie and sausages, gorgeous with a fried egg, all in one sandwich. And look what I found. I told you they'd eat them. What are you doing? Yes, I've caught you. Yes, the two of you. Don't walk away as if you're not doing anything. Yeah, I've caught the two of you. Oh, what are you like? Dunya? I am going to be sorting those out for putting them in the hedging. The little monkeys, aren't you? Aren't you? Oh, look at this one. Yes. Dunya, come on. Get off the beech hedging, you little monkey. Right, so I've managed to do down there. This is what's left. They've been munching away while we've been in. So I've took the bushiness off the side, and we're going to now get the height that we want on the roadside. And do you know what? I might just put these two in case they eat any more. They've been out for a good few hours now, so they've stretched the legs and everything. Now the sun's come out. It was absolutely lashing it before. Right, let's get these two in. Come on, you two. Are you coming in, Com? Right, that's one in. That's Com in. Yes, Com. You're in. Yes, I love you too, Com. The big eyes. Dunya, come on. Dunya. Oh, little monkey. It's a little monkey. No, you won't come past, so Vincent just had to move the car. Come on, Dunya. Come on. Dunya. Come on, Dunya. Right, I can go and shut that gate. He's coming. Come on, Dunya. Go on, in your bed. No, in your bed. Go on. Keep going. Go on. Rose is having a hissy thing now. Right, so let me get used to some hay.
Foot was there.
Oh, well, it needs to be at least 7 foot then.
But 7'2".
Roughly, yeah.
No, exactly.
All right. Oh, yeah, right, yes, got you, because you got the hole, haven't you?
Right, so
Right.
undo this.
I get the ball.
We'll see where this is going.
So I'm going to go up here. Yeah, timber to go up. Might take me a minute to roll this ball. Nearly at the top. I told you I was nearly there.
Could you just get in and hold this? Just
Yeah.
leave that on the floor for a moment, please, darling.
All right, Timothy. I call him Timothy when he starts playing up. Don't know if anyone ever remembers.
Thank you,
Timothy. I can put the wood this way, can't I?
Yeah, you can indeed. Right, stop a minute. Let's go up another inch up. Right. Don't move it from there.
Right, okay. Oh, crack it.
Keep moving it for some reason.
Well, it's quite hard to hold when you've got tension on it as well. Oh, go for that. Yeah. It's like we might have to put one in the centre. So what we just realised, when we put the tension on it, this actually bent and came lower. So Vincent's going to get a couple more screws to secure it so it doesn't twist. So Vincent's just cutting some wood up. You wouldn't believe the amount of rain that was an hour or two ago. Now I've got to wear sunglasses because I can't see what I'm cutting. I sit in Ireland, you wait 5 minutes and the weather changes very quickly. Yes, darling.
Yes, if you could use that as a lever to push that up now. Hello? Push
Here
that up
or
where it's... No, Don.
push this up. The wood.
Yeah,
It looked like a clothesline.
there you go.
There you go, darling.
Right,
It's up.
you ready?
Is that... Yay! Brilliant, well done. I'll go and prop this up a bit. Is that roughly giving us? I suppose we get a tape measure and measure here, see where that line, where it's going.
Mm-hmm. Right, that's not 7 foot there.
No.
So, there was a big post here somewhere, was it? No, that's be too far away.
Oh, yeah, that'll
No,
do.
not really well.
Well, it doesn't matter if coming out of it, it's only just to get the height. That's got to, it's not too far. If I just did above that line then, it's going to be a rough guide. Oh yeah, it's probably
Right, come back.
not great.
Let's have a look.
Right.
Could you hold that up, just
Yeah.
up, lean against it?
Yeah.
You have to really lean against it.
Crack it.
Okay.
That's brilliant. We'll get the next one.
That is now 7
Great.
foot 2. But that doesn't look like it's 7 foot 2 up there. No,
Unless
you're
I
right
put-
at the first one. Look at the first one, Don.
I think it's 'cause it's so low down here. Oh no, it is though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Maybe
We're
it's...
going on technical job
Yes.
now. Right, well that'll do for.
You got, where's the mic?
holding it.
Have you got the mic? Or have I got
I've
the
got
mic?
the mic.
I haven't got one. You've got one. Right. That's good.
Right, that's him gone. Bye. Bye. I might just. Right, I've brought step ladders out. Oh, I can't. Just to make it look a bit, maybe a bit easier. Just so I can see the line, I think a bit better. As you can see, this fence is starting to lean towards us and it's come down further up. So we've got to put in new posts.
A field fence is the ideal fencing option for most areas on your farm. This lightweight wire fence is great for penning and livestock, and it helps keep wildlife and other pests off your property. Field fence also tends to be inexpensive and simple to install and maintain, which makes it a great choice for your property. However, field fence, like all fences, is only effective when installed correctly. Without the right tools and the proper installation techniques, you might end up with a sagging, ineffective fence that won't keep anything in or out. Laceisteria formosa is a robust and easily grown shrub native to China and Tibet, which attracts a wealth of wildlife. It's an extremely handsome shrub with a long season of interest, bearing shapely leaves, trailing white and claret flowers from mid to late summer, followed by reddish-purple berries in autumn. The flowers are a magnet for bees, and the berries attract many species of bird, including blackbird and pheasant. Grow Laceisteria formosa in moist but well-drained soil in full sun to partial shade. It can be pruned back hard if desired. It is known for attracting bees and birds. It has nectar/pollen-rich flowers, provides shelter and habitat, and has seeds for birds. Beneficial insects, butterflies and moths. Laceisteria formosa has no toxic effects reported, with hollow cane-like stems. Therefore be used in bulk to make thickets in mature woodland where there is little existing ground cover to improve game shoots. Grows up to around 6 feet in height in maturity.
Well, the pile's getting smaller. I've been using them all as cuttings. For instance, in the stables, putting in the insulation. So there's no point to us doing it. I can be doing one job that needs to be done, you can be doing another. Good boy, aren't you? Just in case you're wondering, Buzz, if he's off our property, he's always on the lead. So if we're out walking or anything, he's on the lead. Even through the forestry, he's on a lead. Right, I I don't know if these are going to work, but we'll see. What I've been doing, I've been trimming them and then taking off bark and I'm hoping this is going to encourage it to root. I've not put any rooting powder on this time. I've just gone ahead and done this, and I'm just going to pop it straight in the ground and try it.
Hardwood cuttings provide an easy and reliable method of propagating a range of deciduous climbers, trees, and shrubs. And as bonus, they are taken from mid-autumn until late winter, when more time is usually available to do some gardening. Some evergreen plants, hollies for example, can also be taken at the same time of year as other hardwood cuttings.
Chill time for Buzz and I, sitting in the quiet in the ditch and dirt next to the road, with the birds singing and the wind blowing. A refreshing me time